Hey, my name is Christina. I am a kindergarten special ed teacher, and I'm currently teaching in a co-taught inclusion classroom. I chose to do a lesson on in the area of math, and basically we're working on subtraction and word problems right now. And I'm also going to be integrating writing and some speaking and listening in also. And for my technology standards, students are going to be empowered learners and creative communicators. So basically, the first thing in my lesson is opening with our videos. I have on YouTube actually made a playlist of basically all the math videos that I find throughout the year that my kids like, or that will go with a specific standard or learning what we're doing at the time. And I save them to a playlist just so I don't have to keep searching for them. We definitely don't watch all of these videos. That would basically be our whole math time. But this way I can just go and choose what I want to watch without having to really search. So this is one of the videos that we watched with this lesson. And it is definitely probably the kids' favorite. It has a cute little tune, and it goes through different subtraction problems that includes videos and different little singing and pirate noises, and the kids love it and love to sing along. Another one they really like is the subtraction cat, and this one is kind of goofy, and it's really simple subtraction, but it's got like a very repetitive tune, and the kids love to sing it. It talks about the cat eating the mice and the cat getting fat. If you teach young students, you've probably heard of at least some of these. And the other one that we usually focus on during subtraction is this one. So basically all of these videos just use pictures and visual displays and movement and song. So it really gets the students engaged and excited about math and subtraction and what we're going to learn. So one of the other activities that they will do is Splash Math. This is my home screen as teacher login. So basically it is a program that has all the different standards and skills that we go over, and students go through each of these different things in the program. They have their own login. They have their own little dashboard that pops up. And what's cool about this is if I wanted all the students to work on subtraction, I could just assign practice and all of them would automatically be working on that. Usually when it comes to Splash Math, I let the students go with whatever they're on, because it's very differentiated to what the skills that they need to work on are. So I usually kind of leave that alone. And what I really like about this is that it provides some extension for some of my other students who are kind of performing above grade level. Did it go? There it went. So it actually allows students to move on and change their grade level. And I only tell students this once they've finished the whole kindergarten level and I've seen that they're actually doing it correctly. So I think I have about 2 students that are doing stuff on the first grade level right now. So like I said, it just gives you all the different skills for the students to work through, and they seem to really like it. And there's a ton of things that you can do as a teacher as far as different information that you can get. But it would probably take me 20 minutes to show you everything you can do. But it's really awesome. I feel like we're really lucky that our math coach got this for us this year. The last thing that they did is the main part of the lesson where they're creating their own word problem. So this is the skill that students haven't done yet, but they really have a good understanding of subtraction. So I didn't think it would be very difficult for them, and for most students it really wasn't. They were pretty good at creating their problems, and then they got to choose the method in which they would upload it so they could share it with their peers. So I chose to do an example, and I used FlipSnack. So basically, I used the Genius Scan app on my phone to upload the word problems that I had saved as a PDF, and then in FlipSnack, it turns it into a book. So it's kind of combining that writing and math skill. And I actually put Genius Scan on the iPad so that the kids could use it. They were also able to choose from Google Docs or PowerPoint or FlipSnack to present their word problem to the class. And then the class would be able to solve them all afterward. And the last thing that I forgot to show was this activity that we did on the Smart Notebook. So this is just different equations that students were able to move something over to make a match. 10 minus 1 equals, and then they would move the 9 over, and it would pair up and go there, and it makes a cool little noise. And once they get them all done, then they would move on to this game. We're just going to take a second to pop up. But it's a game show, so they click start, and there's 2 teams for this one, and they spin the wheel, and then it gives them a word problem. And I actually created this within Smart Notebook using SmartLab. I inputted my students' names, so of course when that popped up, they thought that was really cool. There's lots of different student names within all the word problems. So that definitely kept them engaged, gave them different ways of doing the same thing, and also kept myself and my co-teacher kind of more available to help those students that needed help with using the technology to upload those word problems. If you have any questions, let me know.